In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your account on Tradingview, an essential platform for anyone interested in stock trading and market analysis. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, Tradingview offers powerful tools and insights to help you succeed in the fast-paced world of trading. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to tradingview.com. Once the site loads, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Login page where you can access your account. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you registered with an email address or a username, simply type it into the provided field. Beneath that, enter your secure password. Once you've done that, click the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Tradingview account. It's as simple as that. However, if you're one of those who signed up using a social media account, such as Google, Facebook, or Apple, don't worry, the process is slightly different, but just as straightforward. Tradingview provides convenient social login buttons on the Sign In page. All you need to do is click the button that corresponds to the platform you use to create your account. For example, if you used Google when signing up, click the Google button. This will redirect you to the platform's login page, where you'll be prompted to enter your social account credentials. Once entered correctly, you'll be redirected back to Tradingview with access to your account. Before you finalize the sign-in process, let me share a quick tip. If you're using a shared or public computer, be cautious and avoid checking a box labeled Remember Me or similar, which keeps you logged in even when you exit the browser. Doing so is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized access. Additionally, if you ever encounter issues signing in, make sure to double-check your login credentials for any typos. It happens to the best of us. Alternatively, consider resetting your password if necessary, or consult Tradingview's support team for further assistance. And there you have it. You're now all set to explore all the robust features and analytical tools that Tradingview has to offer. From real-time data and advanced charting capabilities to community discussions with other like-minded traders, there is so much to discover and utilize to enhance your trading skills. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the platform, and don't hesitate to explore all the available features to maximize your trading experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.